Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic: why men should consider drinking olive oil before bed. It may sound unconventional, but olive oil has been celebrated for its myriad health benefits for centuries. Stick around as we explore how this simple nightly ritual can transform your health and well-being. Olive oil is a staple in Mediterranean cuisine and is renowned for its health benefits. But did you know that drinking a small amount of olive oil before bed can offer unique advantages for men? Let's break down the reasons why incorporating this practice into your nightly routine can be a game changer. First, let's talk about the composition of olive oil. It's packed with monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which are essential for heart health. Olive oil is also rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin E and polyphenols, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. So why drink olive oil before bed specifically? Here are several compelling reasons. Improves heart health. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which helps reduce LDL cholesterol and increase HDL cholesterol. This balance supports cardiovascular health, lowers blood pressure, and reduces the risk of heart disease. The antioxidants in olive oil also protect the heart by preventing oxidative damage to blood vessels. Enhances digestion. Olive oil stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, aiding in the breakdown and absorption of nutrients. It also acts as a natural laxative, lubricating the digestive tract and promoting regular bowel movements. This can prevent constipation and improve overall digestive health. Supports weight management. The healthy fats in olive oil can help control appetite by promoting a feeling of fullness. This can reduce the likelihood of late-night snacking on unhealthy foods, supporting weight management goals. Additionally, olive oil's metabolism-boosting properties help the body burn calories more efficiently. Boosts metabolism. Consuming olive oil can increase your metabolic rate, which helps the body burn calories more effectively. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil are more readily used for energy, leading to improved overall metabolic function, even during sleep. Promotes skin health. Olive oil is packed with antioxidants, such as vitamin E, which protect the skin from oxidative stress and damage. Applying and consuming olive oil can moisturize the skin, reduce inflammation, and promote a healthy, glowing complexion. It can also help to heal and prevent acne and other skin conditions. Strengthens hair. The nutrients in olive oil, including vitamins E and K, promote healthy hair growth by nourishing the scalp and hair follicles. Olive oil can improve hair strength and shine, reduce dandruff, and prevent hair breakage and split ends. Improves joint health. Olive oil's anti-inflammatory properties, largely due to its high content of oleocanthal, can help reduce inflammation in the joints. This can be particularly beneficial for those with arthritis or other joint-related issues, as it may alleviate pain and improve mobility. Enhances sleep quality. Olive oil helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing nighttime spikes and crashes that can disrupt sleep. A stable blood sugar level throughout the night supports uninterrupted, restful sleep, leading to better overall sleep quality. Supports cognitive function. The healthy fats and antioxidants in olive oil protect brain cells from oxidative damage and inflammation. Studies have shown that diets rich in olive oil are associated with a lower risk of cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, supporting memory and cognitive function. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to numerous health problems, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. The polyphenols in olive oil have powerful anti-inflammatory effects, helping to reduce chronic inflammation and lower the risk of related diseases. Balances hormones. Healthy fats in olive oil are essential for the production and balance of hormones. Consuming olive oil can support the endocrine system, ensuring proper hormone function and balance, which is crucial for overall health and well-being. Improves sexual health. Olive oil can enhance circulation, which is important for sexual health and performance. The monounsaturated fats and antioxidants support the production of sex hormones, potentially improving libido and sexual function. Boosts immune system. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can strengthen the immune system. Regular consumption of olive oil can help protect against infections and illnesses by enhancing the body's natural defenses. Aids liver health. Olive oil supports liver function by aiding in detoxification processes. It helps to flush out toxins and reduce the accumulation of fat in the liver, promoting better liver health and overall metabolic function. Enhances nutrient absorption. Olive oil aids in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins such as A, D, E, and K. Consuming olive oil with meals can ensure that these essential vitamins are absorbed more effectively, leading to better overall nutrition and health. Incorporating a small amount of high-quality extra virgin olive oil into your nightly routine can offer these wide-ranging health benefits, promoting overall wellness and vitality for men. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and wellness advice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.